Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson. I'm back again today with another 7 trades. Today's date is February the 8th and I'm using my brand new Magic Scalper trading system. You will get an audio sound and a pop-up box like this suggesting either to buy and or sell. Now every morning at 6 o'clock I'm in front of the computer trading the continuation of the London and moving into the New York session. Now I take a look at all the different instruments. I check out my daily trade plan, and when I've figured out I want to be buying and or selling, I'll manually put in this white arrow suggesting whether I should be buying or selling according to my daily trade plan. Now here is the daily trade plan running in real time. It's around 9:45 a.m. New York time. So we have many hours that you can still trade. As you can see, this daily trade plan, it does give comments here whether you should be buying, looking for bullish or bearish trades, and some are even preferred. Drills down the lights from the monthly all the way down to the 30 minutes. So I never have to go off of the 15 minutes. Sometimes I'll go down to the 5 minutes, but all the other time frames, it's telling me right here what I should be looking for, either up or down. My mentor told me many years ago, the reason why a lot of traders fail is that because they do not have any kind of a daily trade plan. If you have any questions or you're interested in getting your hands on this daily trade plan, well, just get in contact with me. Okay, let's run a check on some of these trades. First one I did today was the Euro New Zealand. As you can see, it's a very small loss. That's what I teach in the training videos. Keep your losers as small as possible, and your winners let them grow. So let's see. Now this could have easily just kept going, and if I was in the trade right now, it would be a winner. But when I closed it out, I was happy. Generally, as a rule, I'm happy when I have 200 or more pips and ticks. And then I just close out all the trades, and then I'm done trading for the day. So took the trade at this cursor right here, and I closed it out here. Looks like I lost 1 pip, and that's why you see a negative, as I lost negative $12. Keep in mind that you can trade anything that your broker offers you, as long as you can get it in the market watch and get the charts up. My Magic Scalper can trade the markets for you. So moving right along to the next trade, which is the pound CAD. Wanted to be selling it. There's the arrow from the daily trade plan. Did qualify for a great way to trade. Let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. So when I pulled the trigger, everything was looking great for going down. Could have made a lot more if I stayed in down there, but I was happy with looks like 16 pips. And those 16 pips paid out $118. Remember, there's 4 things you're going to need to succeed at trading. You'll need a lot of chart time, a lot of demo trading. You're going to need a lot of education. I provide you with the education, and you'll need some kind of a daily trade plan. Now, you must think like you are learning to become a doctor or lawyer. You should be buying more education every 2 or 3 months if you want to succeed at trading. And when you buy from me, I do give support, and without support, you have only a 5% chance of succeeding. After you buy from me, I will tell you more very important secrets to successfully trading the markets in a free Skype call. Now, if you leave your name and email address, I'll put you on my email list for free weekly trading tips. Okay, moving on to the next trade. Well, the euro dollar here, it's the same as the pound dollar because the USD is on the right hand side. It does pay $10 for each pip, so let's run a check on this euro dollar first. Looking at the money, this one should be 15 pips I made. So I wanted to be selling, both of them actually. Arrow from the daily trade plan did qualify for a great way to trade. Trading is easy and a lot of fun, but you have to have all the proper tools and the education if you want to succeed. Took the trade at this cursor, and there it is right there where I closed out the trade, locking in 15 pips, and that paid out $150. There's a lot of traders who love trading using the Heikin-Ashi candles. That's what these are. I love them also, but I also love Japanese candlesticks, so they're both excellent tools that you should learn and master. Moving right along to the next trade, pound dollar, pays $10 for each tick. Looking at the money, this should be 17. So let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Took the trade at this point, and when I got in, it did qualify for a great way to trade. So let's see if we can find those 17. There it is there, 17 pips, and that paid out $178. Moving right along to the next trade. Now in this crude oil, does pay $10 for each tick. The last three down here, it's futures, the option, indexes, and they're called ticks as opposed to Forex, which is called pips. Looking at the money, this should be 25 ticks. So on this crude oil, let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Took the trade at this cursor. Another one that called a great way to trade. I might even call this video great way to trade. So let's see now. What did I say? It should be 25. There it is right there. If I was in the trade still, I'd be up 69. But I was happy with those 25, and that paid out $250. Remember, I keep building new systems approximately every 3 months. I come out with a newer system. The newer ones are always better and more accurate, more efficient, give you better results. And if you're not happy with your results, make sure you check out my latest trading system. And as of today, the newest one is called the Magic Scalper. So let's see now. Next trade is gold. Now on gold, it also pays $10 for each tick. Looking at the money, this should be 40. So let's drag and drop this up. This one I wanted to be selling it. Another one that did qualify for a great way to trade. Makes trading easy and a lot of fun. At that point, I locked in my 40 ticks, and that paid out $407. Okay, moving on to the last trade, which is the DAX 30. This one pays $3.75 for each tick, so I took the money, divided by 3.75. Calculator says it should be 440. Now I did drop it down to the 5 minutes to try to get a reading, more accurate reading. So when I pulled the trigger, everything looked good. Again, did qualify for a great way to trade. There's the arrow, super signal, arrow from the daily trade plan, and away it goes. So I got in at that point, and what did I say? 440. Well, that's as close as I'm going to be able to show you, but it is 440, and all of those ticks paid out $1,650. Remember, Forex is okay to trade, but if you're in this game to make a lot more, the futures, the indexes, they move a lot more, and as you can clearly see, they pay a lot more. So another great day of trading using my Magic Scalper. I knew it was going to be well over 200, mainly because of this DAX 30. I added up all the pips and the ticks, and the grand total came to 552 pips and ticks. And all of that ended up paying out $2,733. So if your system's not producing great results, I recommend you get your hands on it. This magic scalper, don't forget about the daily trade plan. It's very important. Have a couple of minutes extra time. I wanted to show you a great tool that I'm also advertising down in the description. It's called the FIB Master tool. All you got to do is click on this little tab right here. You're going to go from swing high. When you're selling, it's always swing high to swing low, or vice versa. Swing low to swing high. Swing low, swing high, and then you get your pullback. So it's just like that. Swing low, swing high. There's your pullback to entry 1. And if generally as a rule, if it hits 1, 2, or 3 entries, it'll go to 2, 3, 4, 5, or many times it'll go more. You do have a grand total of 10 different targets. This is an excellent tool that I recommend you get your hands on. Can go both directions. From there to there was buying. Click here. You can go from swing high to swing low. There's your pullback right here. Pull back on the blue candles. Hit entry 2. And as I mentioned, if it hits 1, 2, or 3, like entry, that's your entry, and your targets usually will get to 2, 3, 4, 5, and it can go all the way to 10. Love this tool. It will really help you to wait for the pullbacks. It shows you the entries, and it shows you the targets. Keep in mind the one that comes with the MT4 platform is just, let's just say it's not very good. This one is 100 times better. And, you know, if you have any questions, just get in contact with me and I can show you some more examples. This tool works on all the different time frames, and it works on all the different instruments. Reason why it works is that millions of traders all over the world are using it. So if you have any questions, all you got to do is get in contact with me. To do so, all you got to do is look right below this video. You'll see in the description my contact information plus a lot of other information. You'll also see in the description 4 different packages. I recommend you getting at least minimum 3 of them. I do charge $250 each package. Now I have a special offer. If you buy 2 packages, I'll give you 1 package for free. And remember, after you buy from me, I do give support. After all, you'll probably have some questions that need answering. Now there's 3 ways you can get in contact with me. You can pick up the phone and call me directly. And all the years I've been trading, I found that this was virtually almost impossible to actually talk to the trader. So if you can talk to the trader, well, then you'll get the correct answers. And that will be very valuable in helping you to find success in trading. Now you can send me an email, but just to let you know, I do prefer Skype. And there's a link down there. All you got to do is click on it. And once we have a Skype connection, well, I'll be able to answer your questions. That's, you know, doesn't make any difference where you live in the world. So it looks like it's just about time to wrap up this video. And of course, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day and video, remember to keep yourself and your family safe, and the best of luck in trading. Okay, bye for now.